In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Gmail by sender. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you are already logged into your account. At the top of the page, click the search mail bar, type from followed by the sender's name or email address, for example, from /support or from /Microsoft. Press enter on your keyboard to search. You will now see all emails from that specific sender grouped together. Alternatively, click the show search options icon on the right side of the search bar. In the From field, enter the sender's name or email address, and click Search to view the results. Another method is to locate an email from the sender in your inbox. Right-click the email in the message list, click Find Emails From on Sender Name from the menu. You will now see all messages from that sender. To organize emails automatically, click the Show Search options icon again. Click Create Filter in the bottom right of the search panel. Check Apply the label, then select an existing label or click New Label to create one. Enter a label name and click Create, and check Also Apply Filter to matching conversations to include existing emails. Click Create Filter to finish. Congratulations. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.